Hi all. Welcome to the demo for intelligent routing and Canary releases using Istio service mesh on the Kubernetes cluster. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the intelligent routing and Canary releases using Istio by deploy and upgrade the voting application. The complete process is orchestrated through the Jenkins pipeline. The voting app provides two voting options, cats or dogs, to users. There is a storage component that persists the number of votes for each option. Additionally, there is an analytics component that provides details around the votes cast for each option. The tools, which are used in this demo are GitLab, for source code management, Jenkins, for continuous integration, Kubernetes, for container orchestration, Istio, for the service networking layer, Docker, for containerization. Let's explore the workflow of voting application deployment, stage by stage. Kubernetes Istio voting application Jenkins job deploying version 1.0 of the voting app, and version 1.0 of the analytics component. The analytics component provides simple counts for the number of votes. The voting app and analytics component interact with version 1.0 of the storage component, which is backed by Redis. Let's run the Jenkins Kubernetes Istio voting application job, and check the application working fine. Now do some voting to your favorite animal, and make sure it shows only the voting number, and just note down the host name and storage used for this application, which is at the bottom of the voting application page. Next, we need to deploy a new version by updating the application version in the Kubernetes Istio voting updating job. In this job, we deploy a new version of the analytics component. The new version 1.1 displays totals and percentages in addition to the count for each category. Let's check the application page again, and we do some voting for animals, and refreshing the page, which shows the voting with a percentage, which indicates that the application is upgraded with the new version. But when we refresh the page, it points to the old version 1.0, which means the Kubernetes Istio uses a round-robin algorithm to switch the application request between the old and new versions. Finally, Jenkins job Kubernetes Istio rollout deploys a new version 2.0 of the voting app, voting analytics, and voting storage components. The new voting storage component uses MySQL instead of Redis. The voting app and voting analytics components are updated to allow them to use this new voting storage component. Let's run the job and test the Canary release with the latest version and storage. The job will create and update destination rules and virtual services, and it adds the Kubernetes objects for the new version 2.0 components. It also updates the voting storage service to include the 3306 port for MySQL. Need to wait for some time to ensure all the version 2.0 pods are running. Once the deployment is completed, we can check the application page. Let us refresh the page, and we can see the host name is changed. Then click the Set button to shift your application storage version 1.0 to 2.0. Here application storage is changed from Redis to MySQL. This is the complete workflow of intelligent routing and Canary releases with Istio in the on-prem Kubernetes cluster. For more information, please browse www.zippyops.com. Please follow us on social media, links are available in the description. Like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happenings on DevOps. Thank you for watching this video.